I am cooking adobo. I have already put condiments like ginger, onions, and Ajinomoto. But I will add something to make this more delicious. What is that something? That is sugar. Sugar. You know the sugar, it makes this adobo delicious. No, delicious. I'm sorry, I mispronounced the word delicious. This is delicious. Now I will open the stove. The stove that is very dirty. Look at that stove. It's already very dirty. And anyway, it is not part of my discussion today. This is about my sweet adobo. That's the Pyrex that I am mentioning. This Pyrex is worth 3,000 bucks. Wow. Very expensive Pyrex. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you again.